Since the beginning of Royal Caribbean Productions, we've been presenting what we call a final studio run-through, and this basically gives the cast one last opportunity to present everything that they've learned in this entire rehearsal process. And it's in front of a live audience.
We, as the team at Royal Caribbean, are now getting to see what the cast and the creatives have brought to the table.
We've accomplished quite a bit in the last 4 weeks here in the studio rehearsals for Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. We've really focused on teaching all the choreography and the staging, the vocals, making sure the timing of the script is running as smoothly as possible.
Above all, it's about the cast getting a sense of what their show is from beginning to end. The feeling of an audience. As soon as you add an audience in, it changes everything.
This will be that first exposure to the audience and experiencing where those moments are and where those connections are with regards to how the audience is taking the story in. So we're all listening to how the response is going to be to what we've made.
You're really getting to see actors start to find it in their being of what these characters really are. But now they're finding new bits, new things to bring to it, another way to tell the story, those little nuances that only come through rehearsing.
So there's so many lessons that get learned through this one big performance that carries us on to the next stage.
Are you hungry? Then go ahead.
Nervous, but excited. Yeah.
They'll be getting nervous, and that's great because we want that nervous energy. They'll be getting excited.
Okay.
Office Run Day, we are so excited to be here.
It will be their opportunity to shine, both individually and as a group.
It's still nerve-wracking. As a cast member, it's nerve-wracking as a creative to show people what you've made and hope that you get good feedback and you're steering the cast in the right direction.
I think the most rewarding part of watching this show come to life here in the rehearsal process has been the cohesiveness between the cast and the team, the collaboration. We're creating something brand new, and we're relying on the cast to bring a lot of their personalities into the show.
The team have slowly poured more and more out of them to refine it into what we're going to see today, and we're going to see them at their finest.
1, 2, 3, shine!
I want the golden ticket! I'm in Bavaria! In Schwein, Schwein, Schwein!
Oh my gosh, I have no words. It's been such a journey, and to see this show come to life without barely any elements, just the sheer talent, it's amazing. One of the best things we've ever done, hands down.
Hats off to the casting team because that cast is incredible. The way in which they've molded this show already, without any of the real scenery, without the real stage, without all of the costumes, we're super happy.
It's magic. It really is magic. You start these things and you never know how they're going to be, but something special happened this afternoon, and I'm so happy and so overjoyed, and it was just a real nice moment.
Exhilarating is an understatement. I just feel like I've hit the jackpot with this project because it's a story about preserving innocence and good prevailing over evil, and we need stories like that.
Your imagination.
We've pretty much accomplished everything we can do here in the studio setting, so now it's time to head to the ship, and getting on stage is incredibly important.
They're gonna see an amazing theater with all the bells and whistles and really get a sense of their magical elements that they've only been simulating here. So they're going to really feel immersed in what Charlie and the Chocolate Factory is.
I think the audience will feel part of something very special. I know there will be a lot of tears in the audience because it's an emotional show, and they will fall in love with these characters.
After watching Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, people will leave feeling that they've experienced the most dynamic production that they've ever seen. I know that this show is so spectacular, it's just so amazing.